Sorry, I just need to reopen it, Scotty. I can't share until I restart Zoom.
Yeah.
Just talk amongst yourselves. How's your weekend, Choc? What did you do?
Watch some old footy. That's all I do. Get your jobs done, run there.
I mowed the lawns.
Okay, mate.
Okay, guys. I got some guys fixing my roof today, so if they start making noise, just too much noise, let me know when I'm
We're all working off the one computer. I was going to show an edit that I didn't have in there. Is there much? Probably not that much to go through for stoppage. It was not a huge factor in the game, but pardon? Low stoppage game, yeah. Low stoppage game. And we don't want to work through the detail too much, but Vines' decision making was perfect here too. You got me on?
Hey boys, let's set our sights today in Geelong. Okay, big game, MCG, top of the table clash. Right.
That's nice. That is nice, Disco. Hey, matey. Oh, what have I done with training? There it is. No pressure, first one. You right? You sure? Okay, I'll be nice to you. Hey, that's a nice start. Oh, yes. Gotcha. Oh, fumble. Nice. Yeah, no, faster, faster, faster. Ready? Oh, first one! That's a great start. Oh, yes. I went too early. Oh, I gave him so much love on the ground ball. Disco. He's thinking about the celebration.
The day in the life of winning.
Yeah. How do you know? Your awareness is amazing. Ready? Good, love it, Maisie. That's great. That's good. Class is in. How's out? You ready? Yeah. All right, give Rib the bibs. Hard to spit that out. Goodwin is coming onto defence. So it's 5v4. This might make it harder, Rick. I don't know if it'll help or make it harder. Okay, same thing. Ready? Slow them down. No worries. Understood and respected.
Have you got something on your phone? You do.
15 goals in a game, he reckons. 15. Wow, Riv. He was being serious there. He's kicked 15 goals in a game. You know, Riv told me before he kicked 15 goals in a game one time. That's impressive. That's a lot of goals, Riv. Good, love that run. Love it. Terrific. Good, that's the decision making we're working on, okay? Good job. Great support the ball, Tommy. Thanks, Disco. There you go, good. That's pretty special. There you go. Great play, good job. That's a nice rep to finish. Righto, what are we going to do today? We're going to, what I'm going to ask you to do is all of you, I want you to go and watch all the centre bounces in your own time, or together, groups, little, I don't know if you're doing it, but hey, yeah, do my job. Go and do my job for me. And can you report back to me what you've seen? Max hits the ball there. Is that a good hit? It's a fucking awesome hit. Awesome hit. You look at the decision making. You guys have been doing this for years. Track, what are you thinking?
Yeah, we've won this. So.
We've won the ball. Yeah, I'm out. I'm making a great contest decision. You're feeling that in the game? Good. We're going to keep talking about it. Someone's murdering that milk.
It'll be Doc.
Hey, can we go and see who that is? TJ.
Dr. Dream.
It's Greg.
Well done. It's the butcher. He's Dr. Dream. Can we not have that on camera? I'm still going to get my foot shot.
Great decision, mate. That's always a good play. Anytime you can score uncontested, it's the best way to score. But Ed chooses to kick this ball to a contest. It's harder to score. That's the reality of it. Right? We might still, and we will still. But there is opportunity, I think, around us to be able to use our numbers a little bit. Fines? Great. Over and over again. Still, we're good. I want you to go spend some time there and watch them. And just, the aim is for you guys to know it better than me. All of you. So we can just look at it and you go, yep, this worked, this didn't. Well done, boys. Good job.
Thanks, man.
Okay, but just the effort that Cozzy gives on the mark all the time when he's standing there is brilliant. Probably has about 500 metres of speed every game from kick-ins. Alright, so well done, Cos. Just some guys that are just helping out teammates with little subtle things, blocks and that. So just want you to watch Vines here. Ball comes out, someone else is going to win it. Just gives a little check, helps out his teammate, get him into clear air so he can execute his skills. And Vines has done it to a T the last 3 or 4 weeks, so well done to you, Vines. Points here, lads. 3 minutes to go. 38 points up. I want you to watch this. Chin on the mark here. Handball. Got to chase. Effort after effort after effort. Turnover. Keep the ball in our half. So easy to give up that chase at that time of the game with the score looking like that. Not at this footy club. Okay, we just keep doing it. Alright, so well done to you, Chin. Spoke pre-game about just executing role. Whose job was it to shake hands with the umpire?
Just you and Matt.
Just me and Max. Let's have a look how that went. A bit nervous to go over. Should we do it?